What's up, guys? I'm back. Did you guys miss me? Okay, so today I have a special guest with me. This is my son, my oldest son's girlfriend, Bree. Hey, Bree. Doesn't her hair look so amazing? She looks so cute today. Okay, so today we have my aunt made some chicken pot pie, some homemade chicken pot pie. We have some cabbage, some rice and gravy with some green pepper, onion, and mushroom. Ooh, in the gravy. And got this cornbread with corn in it, so she says. And then there's this apple. It's some kind of apple stuff. I don't know what it is, but anyway, get gripping. Okay. So how was your weekend, Bree?
It was great.
What you do?
Yesterday I helped my aunt move.
What's your move?
She's moving houses.
Oh,
So we just...
she live near you?
Yeah, now. I don't know what the new house is. She's going to be staying with us for like a couple weeks.
Oh, okay. Is that a good thing or a bad thing that she's staying for a couple of weeks?
It's a bad thing.
It's bad. Why is bad?
Because nobody wants them to stay.
She got a lot of babies.
Well, it's not even her. It's not even my aunt. It's her boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's a whole nother story, guys. Well, at least it's only for a couple of weeks.
Well, a week or two.
A week or two. Okay. Chicken pot pie is pretty good. You like it? I don't know about the little bread stuff on it. Let me try that.
Yeah, good too. And it tastes like the top of the pot pie you buy at the store.
Mm. Not bad at all.
Belinda can cook.
Yes, you can. That's good. The hamburgers, the rice and gravy. She sauteed the green pepper, onion, and mushroom, and threw it in the gravy. This is my son Jalen. Been down, Jalen. Say hey. Oh, guys, he's trying.
He's such a white boy.
He tried something today, y'all. So I went into a live the other day, and I got so much freaking love, man. Everybody wanted me to come back. Casey, where you been? Where you at? Where you been? So I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna come back. Had to take a little break, y'all. A small mini vacay. But everything was good though. Everybody thought that things were wrong. Nothing was wrong at all. I was just chilling.
I think what happened, some
So
leaders have
I'm back now. I probably won't be doing like as many as I was doing before. Like every week, I'll probably do like maybe 2 a week for starters, because I'm just part time right now.
The Bible says make merry. Get married.
Did you go to church today with Jalen?
But,
Oh, okay.
the wine control.
Huh?
You should at all times control
You said she ain't what?
the wine.
She don't need to. Everybody needs church.
That wine bottle in your right hand at all times.
I can't go with Jalen. That's all.
Why?
We do too much.
What y'all be in there doing? Y'all be in the church acting up?
Okay, I don't have to look at him.
What? Y'all be in church acting up?
It was cold enough.
Was it in Raleigh?
Carter.
嗯。
Which one?
Talking trash.
Hmm?
Uh-huh.
She not put on
Who was talking trash?
Mama. She not cut this for Paul.
What she say?
She mad because it's the hall.
Because it's the hall? No.
You know, I'll be good get it.
Well, it didn't last long because you left when we were having start when we started having church.
12:30, like 2:30.
Yeah, don't worry about
How many times did they say Jimmy?
it. I got one at home, you know. I just didn't think nothing about
But they said
bringing
his name. Wow, what? Talking about, I know what you're talking about.
You don't know nothing about small.
I'll take it.
Sorry,
I'll
I
take it.
She trying to get rid of it.
No, I was a hungry girl.
Already big as a house. You gonna have me big as a mansion.
Okay, so. Hold on.
No, I ain't moving. I'm sitting right here enjoying the fellowship.
Next week, I'm going to be doing I guess like maybe like a table talk type thing with 3 ladies. They are my sisters, and just talking about things that are going on in the news, anywhere. Everybody's going to pick a topic, and we're just going to run with it. So that's one of the things that we have coming next week. And that should be like really, really fun. I already have my topic. I really want to kind of wait for my topic. Wait until like maybe the second week of May. But I guess I'll start talking about it. I really don't want to talk too much about it until everything like really goes down. But I already have my topic ready. So, hope you guys
When did you, how this happen? When did you get
stay tuned for that. If you're new,
and you still
subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified.
And that,
Hey, oh, look at JJ! Y'all look so cute. Look at these. After she came in the house, I said, hey, niece. She said, niece? I ain't your niece. I said, oh, okay. She got an attitude today. Okay.
Because that's your son, so that's not gonna make me your niece.
I know, but look. I'm just trying to be hip. Like, you know, how y'all be doing, trying to be hip, girl. She just tore all my little hipness up. Like, just messed it all up. I said, okay.
That'll loosen up.
I said, okay. How you say it? How Carter said it? They got that on my Pepsi commercial now. She trying to teach me how to say it. Oh, Kurt.
My mama don't know how to say it.
Oh, y'all know what song I'm going to do? What challenge I'm going to do? Well, it's not actually a challenge. I'm just going to do it. The song with, is it Little Nas? It's his name, Little Nas. About the cow, the riding on the horse with
I wanna tell my
yeah, that one. Ride till it ain't no more. Yeah. This whole family crazy. She fits in perfectly, right? Yeah, I'm
We're
gonna
never gonna know the real lesson until you actually see
Yeah.
and pay attention.
Hey, Next week, I'm gonna come back with that video. What's the name of that song? Old Town Road. Is it called Old Town Road?
Hockey game is on.
I don't know what it's called.
Game is on today.
I know it's got Billy Ray Cyrus in it. Ride till I can't no more. That's a junk girl. Okay.
You ain't even finished.
Look. She over here eating all slow stuff, right? I just had to taste a little bit of everything. No, my aunt told me, she said,
I don't mind a raw apple. I just don't do
don't go in there making no big plates. I said you can do that mukbang. She said just so you can do that mukbang and then eat the rest of that food. And now I'm gonna eat it. Are we really eating the
When
food?
the video's over,
She's
gonna throw that away. She's gonna throw that away.
Hey, at least when I'm on video, like, you guys get to actually see what I eat.
But she don't finish it.
Yeah.
That should be a challenge. I should challenge her and say you should finish your plate.
Hey, I done gotten some daggone pounds since I've been doing daggone mukbang. That's why I had to, like, chill for a minute. I said, hold on, I gotta get my mind right. Let me get this together.
And that egg video.
Yeah, we was rolling.
People
It
thought
was like one.
I had to really get ready for that egg challenge. Y'all go back and watch that, the egg challenge, the raw egg challenge. I had to really get myself prepared for that. I did. I ain't got no makeup. Look at my face. Well, I don't wear makeup anyway, but anywho. But so yeah, that raw egg challenge. I like doing the raw egg challenge.
You said that was your last time, though.
I ain't gonna do it no more. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it no more. But I liked it though. It was fun. Cause I want to really see if I was gonna really eat all the. I swallowed the 6 eggs.
What did it taste like?
It was just disgusting, really. I thought it was gonna I was gonna be feeling sick the next day, but I wasn't really. I felt fine.
I mean, it's eggs.
Yeah, but it was.
Ain't cooked.
Yeah. And some people do be eating raw eggs in like their drinks, those little health drinks and stuff.
Nasty.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the apple, whatever apple stuff. I don't know. It's my first time making it. And look what she got. Right, she got hot sauce all over her rice. It ain't nothing on there but hot sauce. She
gotta taste that.
She just straight country. I ain't tasting.
Now that's black right there.
This is straight black. Okay, so apple something or another. I really don't know exactly what it is, but I think it's like she made the dough like she was about to make biscuits, but then she like cut them weird and threw them in there or something. I don't know. But
it has to be like apple cinnamon bun.
Is that apple bun? She made cherry buns.
Oh yeah, she did. I didn't really.
I didn't eat it. I let my mom eat it.
She like it?
She said it was good.
This is pretty good.
I don't eat cake like that.
You don't be eating all these desserts over here, girl?
Only it depends on the cake. That strawberry cake.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I smashed that.
I be really trying to like stop
It was
eating
James'
so much
cake
stuff.
for his birthday. He was mad because I kept eating it. Me and Gavin.
According to the scriptures, he's not. So.
He was like, I only got one piece.
You still watching the best anime? No.
The best of what? Did you say the best of anime?
I don't care.
Did you say the best of anime?
Give me the cup.
Okay. What you about to say, girl?
We don't need these things for nothing.
Oh my god.
That's crazy. A robot.
My food is cold now.
Yeah, my rice is really cold. That's why I'm eating it slow. Because usually when I put the hot sauce on, I mix it and it's hot. It goes in and gives it some flavor.
I have a problem with that. Having cold food.
Yeah, me too.
Cold food on camera all the time. Cause you know what I'll do? I'll get everything together, and then I'll like put the food in the plate, and I'm about to sit down and start, but then I realize, oh my gosh, I forgot to do this, I forgot to do that, and then by the time I get sit down, the food is like cold, and sometimes I can't even like heat it up
my
because
mom would be able to do this. Cause my mom's best friend, she be making wigs and stuff, like all different types, and she's like Instagram famous.
Really?
She got like 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
If you got 1 million.
Yeah, she made it to 1 million. She said she got the little award thing, little. YouTube,
What, on YouTube?
Yeah, the little YouTube trophy.
Yeah.
Little square.
Where's she at?
She stay in Atlanta, in Georgia.
Oh, what's her name?
Shalonda. That's where.
What's her
staying
YouTube?
with her. I don't know.
Find out her YouTube so I can let all my
Her
people
when
know
we
what it
went
is.
to Georgia for that weekend. We was at her house. Yeah, she be making wigs. She got like that big light, and then she got her phone. She could sit in there. She got a little vlog stick.
Okay.
She got this mannequin. I guess she be putting the wigs on the mannequin. And she got her. Her hair is pretty. Her wigs be pretty though.
Really?
And my mom was like, she wants to try to get up there because she wants to be Instagram famous like her. So, I was like, but I think my mom could do this. She likes talking.
Yeah, you
when
tell
my
her.
mom get drunk, she talks to her. She can do this. And she like to eat when she drunk. And she's, I don't really know what to talk about. She just find anything. She'd be like, well, I had a bad day at work and my kids are getting on my nerves. And I got my grandbabies for the like. She just find anything to talk about.
Yeah, girl, she should do it. You should tell her to do it.
Hey, Mom.
But how do you start like a YouTube channel?
You just make it.
Like a regular YouTube?
Like your regular YouTube.
And you just post videos? Yeah, I already have a YouTube account, but I didn't think that was my YouTube.
Start her YouTube. Make sure you do like separate email to your make her email like her YouTube name or something. And then yeah, just make one of y'all start posting videos. You just put the camera on the little thing like this. And just go ahead on.
Question more. How much was it for the insurance?
You didn't never give me the driver's license number.
You looking for a new car?
I'm driving.
Why?
My mom got this Dodge Charger. 2-door.
She's selling it. Well, how much?
Well, basically, her friend put it in her driveway, but she stays like up the street, right there. We can walk to her house, and she put it in there because she knew my mom was looking for a car, but my mom not going. My mom don't want that.
Don't your mama got a
doesn't
car?
want a 2-door car. My mom's driving my car
No.
until I'm able to drive it. But
Did somebody move into y'all other house that y'all got for rent?
yeah, she's renting it out, and basically she was like, when the tenant's lease is up, she's gonna give the house to me and my sister. But she was like, me and my sister can't live together because we argue too much. But I'm saying like, if we had our own, like if we was having our own house,
Yeah.
she would mostly just be probably with her boyfriend.
Yeah, it might be a little different.
Yeah, it would, because you're not there.
Yeah.
She's not there, so I mean, like, and then regardless, we don't have to be home. Like, I have a car, my sister has a car, so we can go as we please.
Yeah.
We can really just be in the house just to sleep. Like, we ain't gotta. But then my mom was like, there's no opportunity down here, and there's a lot of opportunity in Georgia. Because
Oh, she want to move?
Yeah, she wants to go to Georgia. Because when my mom was younger, she got in trouble,
Mhm.
and she had a felony on her record now. So, like, you can't really get a job, really, because a lot of jobs don't accept
Well, how the
felonies.
hell y'all got them two big houses?
Because growing up, my mama always wanted to be a landlord.
Mhm.
So, she started investing in like, to houses and stuff. So, the first house she had bought was on Dallas. That's the one the tenants are living in. And then when me and my sister was, getting older and stuff, she bought this house that we're staying in now, and my cousins and them moved in that house.
Oh.
But she bought them so they could be hers. Because she
Yeah.
always wanted to be a landlord.
Yeah.
So that's why she got two. My mama really got 4 houses, but not really. Well, I guess she still do. I don't really know. Well, she not staying in them, but they was like the houses that my uncle and my grandma stay in. That's hers.
Mhm.
The little townhouse and some house in, I guess, Ponza Ashley.
Mhm.
Or
5 pounds of action.
yeah, I remember staying out there. But yeah, my mama wanted to be a landlord.
Well,
She just make it happen for her kids, as she said.
yeah, she did. She doing good.
She said she doesn't want us to live bad. She wants us to live in like a nice house.
Yeah.
You should have known that won't done.
She said she gonna make sure we straight.
That's good.
I
She's
told
doing
my
very
mama I ain't
good.
never leaving her house.
I wouldn't
I
either.
probably wouldn't have said nothing either.
I would. Because she was like, she's taking me when I moved to Georgia.
Mhm.
And I said I was going to take Jalen. But I can't go and leave him. That's too far.
Aw. She said she gonna take you with her, JJ.
Yeah.
Jalen looking like.
He's stubborn. He already agreed and said he was coming anyway. He was like, word?
I thought y'all was gonna stay in the houses down here.
He don't want to, because I was like, we can move into...
Jalen wanna go to Atlanta.
Well, he said, he didn't say he didn't want to go there, but he said he don't want to go there with nothing. But now that I told him that we were going down there with my mom, because I guess he thought I was talking about me and him just up and leaving. Now I'm saying that we was going down there with my mom, I guess he's, willing to do it now. Because he was basically like, he didn't want to go down there.
Jalen. Jalen said, I ain't agree to that. Y'all better stop
You
that.
didn't. Do I need to shot smash?
Gosh, like that.
I need to smash. He's talking about he ain't agreed to that. Do I need to show her the messages? Now you want me to show the camera the messages?
Cause I said, I ain't gonna say I was going.
Yes, you did.
She gave me a bag. You did give me a bag. I put
So when you get 30-day tags, are they gonna send like tags in the mail?
Are you
Yeah,
paying?
30-day tax don't be like that.
Huh?
The shop.
So you're making payments on the car?
No. I could buy this car outright from the dealership. And they said they would give me 30-day tag. So I'm trying to see it.
After
The
30
30-day
days,
tax comes from the dealership.
yeah, you go there to pick up
Then your
the
license
30
plate
day
comes in the
tags.
mail.
No, the 30 day tags, you go there. Then you go there to pick up your real tags at the dealership. They should have them at the dealership, people. Huh?
They don't send them in the mail.
Sit down.
You either go to the DMV or
I'm
you go
saying
to
regular to the dealership.
the dealership. Yeah, you just go back to the dealership because they should have it at the dealership. That's how mine was after the 30 days. But if you buy one, then you'll go to the DMV after you purchase the car, and then you'll do everything, and you'll get plates right there.
Oh, but that Dodge is 2-door.
That's what your mama got you?
No, Mama, I got it. I guess that's an Impala. I don't know. No, that's not a. I don't know.
You don't like it?
I do like my car though.
Oh,
It is nice.
I'm
though.
about to say these kids. Woo,
But it's not the style of Impala that I was asking for.
Yeah.
I wanted the long one.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that one. I wanted that Impala.
Where she got the short one?
Yeah, it's like
The little box one?
it's not that one.
Probably like Siobhan's size car. Like the car Siobhan got. Out this out there.
If you get them before Thanksgiving, they don't be that. They don't.
Probably a little bit.
It's a little bigger than that.
So you can chop that. You can chop that stem up just like you can.
I don't know what
But
happened. That was one of them
it's
places
nice
where I
and
looked
stuff.
at it, thank you, and make sure that
What year is it?
That cake I did at that house.
I think that she said 2013, 2014.
giving it to somebody when them animals on the highway and stuff like that.
Just they chop up fine. Just let the color stem. You don't. What you cut yours up? Use a chopper. Use a knife. You got your chopper. Yes.
That's the type of Impala that I wanted.
Oh, yeah.
But she got me like this.
Sometime I be over there
Trying to find it.
30 o'clock.
You got that back, like that flat back on it.
Come back home, sit in front of the TV
And peek.
till I get it all picked.
Is that it? I think this
start
is.
washing it, and I wash it. Then I start cooking
I
it.
think that's
You
it.
say it be late in the morning when you get through.
I did cabbage and one
You
night.
should take pictures of your cars.
Oh, I did take a I did take a picture of my car.
I get them some line up in that kitchen.
I told my mom to drive out in style. That's my
Oh,
car.
that's nice, girl.
And when it got a sticker, a little license plate with a sticker.
That's
She's
nice.
driving my car right now. We just got 4
Let me
new
see
tires.
again. Let me show the people.
Then my daughter come home Thanksgiving.
We just got
Nice car. They're pulling out of their driveway. Ew, that's a cute car. Yeah.
and the Dodge. She was like she said basically her friend wanted her to take over the payments. Like she wanted somebody to take over the payments. Which is like 460 something or 90 something if I'm wrong. I'll just, tell you. But she was like, basically before to get in the car, the same day, same time, you gotta make 2 payments because it's like been sitting there. So she was like 1,000, and then you get in the car that same day, and then basically you taking over the payment.
Yeah.
So the car's in your name, it's your car, all this, title saying it over to you. And all that other good stuff, and then you got a nice car. I looked in the inside; it's very nice, but I don't do 2-door cars.
What
Because
what year is the car?
I don't know. I asked my mom. She said she didn't know. Cause I was telling Jordan about it, but he was like, "That's not the kind of Dodge he wants." But that's why I asked you, cause
Yeah.
Daisy gonna stop driving.
She ain't getting no charger. She'll get a Honda Civic. She gonna get a little 1999 Honda Civic. That's what she getting. That's exactly what she getting. No front, no games. That's what she getting. I'm serious. Might get a little 2000 Lexus or something like that.
Lexus is nice, but the 2000 might not be nice.
Or
might not be what you think it is.
Or Hyundai XL.
Honda's cute though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're good. They're good on gas. They're good cars. They're reliable cars, and that's what she's getting.
And she's tall. She's kind of tall, so you can get like a medium big.
Yeah. She gonna be wanting to drive soon, girl. Oh my god.
I see it.
Girl.
Well, She can wait till she 18.
Sometimes, look, sometimes I be like, dang, I wish KK hurry up and get her license so she can go drive to the store for me. Doesn't want to go to the store for me.
When is her birthday?
April 17th. She just turned 17.
Oh, she was 16.
Mm-hmm. Well, guys, it's time for us to head out of here. But before we go, I want to give a shout out to, actually, I want to say, hey, to my Aunt Taste of Mafia, and to my sis, Josh Galore. Hey, y'all. And again, this is my oldest son's girlfriend, Bree. I'm so glad that she joined me today because we had fun, right, Bree? Yeah, she's going to have to come back and visit again. Yeah. And my son Jalen's right here. My son Gavin's right here. But they don't want to be inside the video. So, and especially my son Gavin. He never wants to be in the video. So, but anyway, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell so you guys can be notified. And we'll be back soon. Don't forget, next week I'm doing the table talk with my 3 sisters. I think it's going to be at the end of the week, at the end of next week. So look out for that. And then I have Mama's Soul Food. I have that coming up. So that's going to be fun. Because that food be looking good out there, y'all. I'm going to have to tag her up in that. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me. You guys have a great evening. Bye. Say bye, Bree.
Bye.